Well, they say America runs on Duncan. What about an RVJedeye? Let's go find out. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye. Hope you are doing well. You know, when I'm out in the RV, I love to chef it up. No need to eat poorly when you're on the road. And a couple of episodes before, you may remember I cooked something on the road for the very first time and shared it with you, but I didn't have a name for it. Here, check it out. Good morning, folks. It's early in the morning, just out of bed. Time to figure out what we're going to do for breakfast. So I'm going to need your help with this special recipe. Normally when I make breakfast, I have a plan. I usually do waffles and some eggs, but today I'm going to do something special, and this is where I need your help. It's a dish that I'm not quite sure what to call it. So I'm going to make the dish. We'll eat it, and then I'll leave some notes in the bottom, and you can make a suggestion on what to call it, and that's what I'm going to call it moving forward. So let's get started. It's very easy. We take some meat, we take some eggs, we put it all into a pan, and it comes up great. So here are my ingredients. We've got bacon, andouille sausage, regular sausage. Over here we've got the potatoes, mushrooms, some tomatoes, green peppers, and onion, olive oil, shredded cheese, and we've got some garlic, rosemary, salt and pepper, paprika, and my egg mixture, which are 3 eggs, some cream, and some sour cream, all beat up, ready to go. Let's get this on to the stove. So the first thing you want to do is get the pan going. Now, as the pan is going, you want to put a little olive oil in it, and then you want to get your bacon into the pan. Get your olive oil in, and you want to put your bacon in. So once your bacon is done, you want to take that out of the pan because you're going to put it back in and crumble it up a little bit. Then it's on to the sausage and your andouille sausage. Now with the sausage pretty much done, you want to put in your green peppers, your onions, your mushrooms, tomatoes, basically all your other vegetables. Oh, and don't forget those potatoes. Then you want to add in your spices and get it all mixed in. Everything goes into the pot now. Mix it through, get it nice and coated with everything. Okay, this is where you add your spices. You throw some garlic in, get that all in. Love garlic. You put in your thyme. Or excuse me, your rosemary. Just get your rosemary in there, and then you want to put in some paprika, and then finish it off with some salt and pepper. And then again, once you get your spices in, you want to mix everything up so everything's evenly coated. All of the egg mixture in there. Shuffle it around so that it hits all of the areas. And then you just let it cook. After about 3 minutes or so of letting your eggs cook with all of your meat and products, that's when you want to add in your cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that on top, and then what I do is I take that bacon, remember that? I crumble it up, put it on top of the cheese, and I cover everything and let that cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now, after cooking your egg dish for about 3 minutes or so covered, you want to take the cover off, and then you want to let it cook until there's a good consistency all the way through. It should be a little hard on the top. Well, everything looks good. Time to plate this up, get some coffee, and have some breakfast. So there you have it, the breakfast. We don't know what we're going to call it, but you're going to help me. So again, remember, down below, make a comment, suggest a name, and I'm going to take some of the names, put them all together, and then we'll vote on the best name to name this meal. Let's check it out real quick, though. Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah, it actually ended up turning out very good. But still, no name for it. So I asked you all to help me come up with a name for this dish. And you guys made several suggestions, had some great ones, but I narrowed it down to 4. Here are the choices, and I'm going to need you to help me because we're all going to vote on these. Choice A is the Jedeye Skillet. Not a bad one. Choice B, the Jedeye Frittata. Choice number C is the Jedeye Scramble. And finally, the 4th and final choice, the Olino Breakfast Skillet. Not bad. 4 good choices. What do you think? So there you go. The 4 choices for the RVJedeye dish. And after everyone kind of votes on it, I'll make a final decision and share it with everyone. And that's what we're going to call the dish. So hopefully you'll get your vote in soon. Vote often, subscribe, and have fun with this. It's been great sharing it with you guys, and I can't wait to see what we end up finally calling the dish. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and to the channel because you'll get lots of updates in terms of what's coming up. And you know what? It's the middle of the summer, so you know we've got some special stuff coming up for you soon. Thanks for watching. Get out there, chef it up, and have a great day.